Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here. If you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. So today I've come up with a Valentine look. Okay, I could only think about, animal print, beachy waves, and I could just think about this look. So I came up with this makeup look and I feel that this is so stunning because I love a good curly beachy wave, and this makes me look so new, so different, and I just want to act all sassy. I made it a statement red lip because of course red is a color of love, right? So without wasting any more time, let's just go on to the video. First step is always moisturizing. So what I'm going to do for moisturizer today is, I know my one side is dark and the other side is fair, but just ignore it, okay? Till my studio is set up, I can't do anything about it, so I'm just shooting wherever possible I have place. So my most favorite at the moment is this coconut moisturizer by Goodbye. This is a good moisturizer and it smells very tropical, very yummy. So I really like it. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So next I'm going to take the Flawless Finish Color Bar Primer, and I just bought it very recently and I've been obsessed with it. Like, this is the one over here. So we're going to use that. Like, can you just see like a little bit of amount, and what it just like made my skin moisturize as well as like my pores are blurred. We want that, right? We want that, and it's a long wearing. Ignore the vehicle sounds. I just can't deal with them right now. So this is a really good primer at a very reasonable rate. I got it at 265. There are a lot of offers, so you can just grab products and whenever they are at offers because they're worth it. So next I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I'm going to just cover up my dark circles, because if you're going to go on a date night and you're going to have grayness peeking through, you're going to know that you're staying up waiting for him, thinking about him. बंदों को ना भाव नहीं देना चाहिए, याद रख लो. जितना तुम भाव दोगे उतना उनका सब कुछ बढ़ेगा. एकदम ईगो बढ़ जाएगी, अपने आप को पता नहीं शाहरुख खान समझने लग जाएंगे, पता नहीं क्या ही है. तो I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers. After I've got that blended out, what we are going to do is we are going to set it with a loose powder, because a lot of people make this mistake of directly going in foundation as soon as you apply a color corrector. Don't ever make that mistake, because you're going to look orange and you don't want to look that way, right? Especially on a date night. Take this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. This is in the shade medium ON. So for foundation, we're going to go all out today. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, and I'm in the shade Tres Leches. Actually, I think my shade is Baklava, but long story short, I wanted it for my marriage and a reception, and unfortunately in a hurry I just grabbed this and walked out the door. It looks little white for me, but it oxidizes to be my skin color, which I'm not complaining, but it takes time to oxidize. So if you're a bride and you want to use this, apply this at least 1 to 2 hours before your wedding, so that it oxidizes and becomes your color. And it doesn't oxidize to the level where you become 5 times darker your shade, it just becomes your shade. So think about it and make do with it. I'm just going to take 1 pump of that. That's a thick dollop. You don't need much of this foundation. Can you just see how flawless my base looks? It just looks curvy, okay? It doesn't look like I ever had pigmentation of any sort. And if you guys are having acne issues, you can just dab on some green color corrector on top of the acne marks or anything, and just powder it with some loose powder. Set it, then apply your foundation. It'll look beautiful, flawless. You'll just the bumps will be visible. That won't go away, of course, but the redness, the white pus, everything will be just covered, trust me. So, but I would recommend you not to apply a lot of products on top of your acne. Like, just apply as minimal as possible. So this is my base, देख कर वो मुझे फूल सा खिल गया. So next up, I'm gonna take concealer and I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Caramel. This concealer never fails me, so even for the most important of important occasions, I'm always wearing this. So we are done blending everything out. I'm gonna take the same Fit Me loose powder, like there is nothing new about it, and I'm gonna take it to the same brush and then set my under eyes. I'm gonna take a little more of loose powder and bake. So what we're gonna do is, from this part, I'm just gonna pull it down half of my ear. So once that's done, we're going to go ahead with our eyes. I'm just going to leave the bake. For some people, baking works. For some people, baking doesn't work. But I like to bake, so I'm going to keep it on, okay? So take a red eyeshadow. I'm taking this Color Essence single eyeshadows. And I think this is in the shade red. Just red. So this is the eyeshadow. Very cute packaging though. These are pigmented. And there's a lot of fallout. Can you see the pigmentation? Excuse me. The pigmentation is highly insane in these pans and palettes. Color Essence knows their eyeshadows, okay? Their single shadows are pigmented like nobody's business. So I'm just gonna take that and then I'm just gonna leave this empty gap over here. So after we are done with that, I still feel that red is not red enough, because as you can see, it is red, but it is not that red that I'm aiming for. So the lipstick that I'm going to use is Red Sangria, and oh my god, what a beautifully amazing red this is. It's absolutely one of my favorites. So I'm going to take a little of that and intensify my outer corner with that, and I'm quickly going to blend in because this is a liquid and it will dry like so fast. So that did give it a little bit of intensity, so I'm going to put a little more on the crease and I'm going to blend this out and work in really quickly. So always work in sections, keep putting little till you reach the desired level that this is it. I just don't want anything more than that. So this is good enough for me. So if you want more intensity, kindly go ahead. I'm going to take this Revolution Reloaded palette in the theme Red Alert, and I love this palette so much. I have recently purchased it and I'm in absolute love. The colors are so gorgeous, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brown over here, this very mild brown shade over here, and I'm going to apply it on my crease and blend it with the red that's going on. So after that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my crease, and for cutting my crease I've already given this technique before itself. I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible in the shade Amber again, and I'm going to just take very little, and while opening it be very careful because it just comes pluck and falls on your dress. So I'm just going to a little bit over here and I'm going to do this. Can you see where it cuts on top? Cut my crease right there. So I'm quickly going to take that brush, blending brush, what we use for the crease, and I'm going to buff out the edges to give it that even look. After we have done that, we are immediately going to take a shimmer shadow. Take whatever you want. You can take a glitter or a shimmer shadow. I'm going to take a glitter. It's Valentine, yeah. You have to go all out or go big or go home, okay? So I'm going to take this Color Board by Beauty Glazed, and this is the one over here. This is the palette over here. Such a stunning palette, yeah, and it has like so many shades, like oh my god, like legit, there is so many shades in this. So I'm just gonna pick out this top shade of green palette. I'm gonna take this shade. I fell in love with it as soon as I saw it, and these are heavily pigmented, so go very slow. So after we are done with that, you can either leave it that way, but I like to go in with a wing. So if you want to go in with a wing, you can go in. Otherwise, you can just, put on lashes or put on like little mascara and call it a day. I'm going to go big. Take this Maybelline Colossal Liner, this one over here. and I'm just gonna draw a wing. So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and clean the edge over here to give it a more neat look. Otherwise it's just going to look a little weird. So I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer. Be careful not to go overboard. Just a little bit of concealer and clean the edge. That's it. Yeah, and then you got to blend out with your finger. I'm going to take a mascara. I'm going to take this Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. Oh my god, if you are a person who are following me on Instagram, I went mad the first time I wore it because oh my god, it is one of the best mascaras I've ever used in my entire life. It's so stunning, like you know, it just lasts the whole day. It doesn't budge, it doesn't go anywhere, it is beautiful. My lower lash line, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this maroonish shimmer, which I said, this maroonish shimmer, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. So after we are done with that, I'm going to take the Lash Paradise again and I'm going to apply it to my lower lashes. Never forget this step, okay? Never. So I'm just going to apply falsies. This is the PAC M72 lashes and this is the one over here. I'm going to use that. See, if you guys are comfortable not using it, don't use it. It's absolutely fine. Just you can, you know, wear this and call it a day. So guys, the next step is my brows, and for brows it has always been the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. So I'm going to use that itself. It's in the shade medium brown. I'm going to use the Sugar Mini Bronzer in the shade Taupe Topper to bronze. So next up is blush. So I'm going to take this Red Alert palette again. I'm going to mix this pink with this shade over here. And I'm going to apply that as a blush. I'm just doing all this to see the pigmentation of the palette. So far, I love the pigmentation, but I just want to test it out a little more. So yeah. Okay, so my blush is done. Next comes a highlighter. Okay, I have a new product. This is by MyGlam Magic Potion Roll-On Illuminator. Okay, I got this in a PR package and this looks stunning. I haven't like used it yet. It's called Unicorn. Oh my god, it looks stunning. How stunning that is. Oh my god, like legit. Okay, but the only issue is it's just taking off the blush that I have going on. I'm just gonna apply it to my brow bone. Oh, that was an easy peasy dream. Otherwise I need to like use a brush, I need to use a lot of things. I'm gonna do it to my inner corner. Oh, that was so simple to do, but I'm gonna do it on my nose. For the cheeks, it's a big no. I just don't know. It just took off all my blush. Oh my good lord. For my eyes, this is pretty good, but for my cheeks, I don't think I'll be using it because I don't know. I think I might give it a try with a different blush. But this just took off the product like I don't know what. I'm gonna take this Get Gorgeous Usha's highlighter, this one over here, and apply it to my cheeks. Can you see how stunning that is? Excuse me. Oh my god. I think this highlighter can be a dupe for the MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter because this has a beautiful glow from within kind of look, and this glow is something that I'm living for, and I really like it. It's so beautiful, so stunning. I have no words. Like I become a different person when I apply a highlighter. Like look at that. Like look at that. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm just gonna walk into the door into a date like looking like a glow goddess. That's the vibe I'm getting out of it. Okay guys, so we have reached the final step of our makeup, that is lipstick. The ultimate red I can only think about is Red Sangria by Lakme. and it is such a stunning red. It is more on the maroonish red side. I actually mixed this with My Glam's flavored cherry lipstick on my wedding. What a stunning color that is. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to complete off the entire look and be right back. This is my completed look. I hope you guys liked this look. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share. Do tag me if you're recreating this look. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.